Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to help you about the installation and use of InfoLead app. From your mobile, go to the Google Play Store for Android devices, and for iOS devices, go to the App Store, search for and install InfoLead app. Once downloaded, enter the show code and scan the activation license. The show code and license sent to you via email. Enter device name or the user's name, this name is to recognize this license. The main screen displays your company information, license number, and the selected label. Create and share surveys. The app allows for one active survey with up to 9 questions and 10 responses per question. Each question can have a maximum of 50 characters. Each response can have a maximum of 35 characters, including spaces. Special characters may take up more space. Upload the survey to the cloud and download responses for each additional license if you have rented more than one. To scan QR codes, tap on the QR code icon. Align the camera with the QR code to scan it. Now classify each contact as hot, medium, cold, or leave them unranked. Add tags to contacts to use as filters when searching. Add comments to record each contact's needs after the event. Use voice dictation to add comments if your device supports it. Access the contact list from the side menu. View contacts in general or by ranking. Organize and classify your contacts easily. Change the app language based on user preference. Log out of the app on one device and use the same license on another device. We recommend syncing and backing up data at least once or twice a day or at the end of each event day. Thanks for your preference.